Hey viewers, you are watching this video and I am Shudha. At least 14 people were burnt alive and 15 others were injured in a horrific road accident in Andhra Pradesh on Thursday. The incident took place near Rayavaram in Markapuram district at around 6:30 am. A private travel bus collided with a tipper truck near a stone quarry. The impact was severe. Soon after the collision, a fire broke out in the bus. Flames spread quickly within minutes. The bus was completely engulfed. The tipper truck also caught fire. Both vehicles were gutted. There were 35 passengers on board the bus. It belonged to a private operator. Many passengers were asleep when the accident happened. Panic spread among passengers. Some tried to escape by breaking windows. 10 passengers managed to get out immediately after the fire started. However, many others were trapped inside. Police said at least 14 people died on the spot. Their bodies were badly charred. 15 passengers were injured. Several of them suffered serious burn injuries. The injured were rushed to the government hospital in Markapuram. Doctors said the condition of some patients is critical. Officials fear that the death toll may rise. The victims include women and children. Most of them were residents of Kanigiri and Pamuru in the district of Andhra Pradesh. The bus was traveling from Hyderabad to Pamuru. The tipper truck was coming from Hyderabad. It was carrying a load of concrete of Markapuram. Local residents rushed to the spot after hearing a loud noise. They tried to rescue passengers. However, the intensity of the fire made it difficult. Police and fire department teams arrived soon after receiving information. Two fire engines were placed into service. Firefighters worked hard to bring the blaze under control. Rescue and relief operations continued for several hours. Authorities removed the bodies and sifted them for identification. Local MLA K. Narayana Reddy visited the accident site. He reviewed the situation with officials. He directed them to speed up rescue efforts. Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu expressed shock over the tragedy. He spoke to district officials and sought details. He directed them to ensure the best treatment for the injured. Transport Minister Manipalli Ramaprasad Reddy also expressed grief. He extended condolence to the families of the victims. Mr. Narloki said the government will support the affected families. He assured that all possible help. Police have started an investigation into the cause of the accident. Officials said overspeeding or driver error could be factors. A detailed probe has been ordered. The incident has raised serious concern over road safety. Further updates are awaited. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.